What is up everyone, I am Mike. And welcome back to Top Crypto. And today we are going to talk about another high potential project called Madworld. But before we begin, please be advised by our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor. So, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. MAD or Multiverse Artist Defender is an NFT platform for both real-world and digital collectibles where the value and provenance of the artist and creator is protected on the multiverse. The only platform and ecosystem that allows NFTs to cohere with its tokenized real-world asset. Artists create an inherently unique artwork that will go viral. The value of the artist and artwork is defended by a decentralized structure, the MAD DAO. Consumers collect unique and irreplaceable NFT. The provenance of the artwork can be traced on the blockchain, differentiating the original from all subsequent copies. Collectors' trust and confidence are preserved with UMAD. MAD community members earn tokens from the sale of unique NFT drops, trading of NFTs, and minting of digital assets. UMAD empowers the community to vote and earn as the artwork gets verified and validated. Expert from the community stake UMAD token to earn rewards and unique NFTs. Staking from experts helps strengthen the support, security, and operations of the blockchain network. UMAD token. 10 billion UMAD tokens minted and strategically allocated to maximize the organic growth of the Madworld Metaverse. Platform and DAO rewards 25%. Company reserve 16.5%. Liquidity pool 15%. Team and advisors 15%. Marketing fund 12%. Content and developers fund 10%. Strategic private sale 6%. Public sales 0.5%. As more digital assets are produced as NFTs, it is becoming more difficult and/or complex to verify and protect original creation and thereby its true value. MAD uses a DAO mechanic, NFT, non-fungible token, technology and NFC, near-field communication, technology to merge the digital and physical experiences. NFT's vision is for a world where the digital and real-life experiences will be merged to give a second life to all objects, businesses, and industries. Through the new wave of NFT's blockchain technology, we envision a revolution in diverse industries. With the cutting-edge technology, we envision a seamless integration between the digital world and the physical world. And now, let me introduce to you some of its team members. Robert Tran, co-founder and Jedi. Comver Leon, co-founder tech and hacker. Jordan Heathfield, head of PR and poster boy. And many more. And here I introduce to you some of its advisors. Arnold Concepcion of Animoca Brands, Andy Chung of AC Ventures, Roberto Grande of Tier Zero Agency, and many more. Now, let me show Madworld's roadmap. 2021 first half. Madworld light paper release. Private sales. Strategic pre-sales. 2021 second half. Token generation event. Social media campaign launch. Ucolix vertical integration. 2022 first half. RAX Extreme Sports vertical integration. UMAD staking rewards. Branded digital galleries. 2022 second half. Supply side launch, creators NFT paired with physical assets. Metaverse cross-chain collaborations. 2023. B2B platform for brands. Gamifying NFTs. Now let us take a quick look at Madworld's Twitter page. As we can see here at its pinned tweet that states, Madworld X Torque Squad collaboration announcement. Allow list competition to be updated for Madworld hodlers shortly. Join our Discord for more. And Madworld has joined Twitter back at mid-July last year and currently has 60.6k followers. And if you want to be updated about Madworld's latest tweets, make sure to follow them and to turn on notifications. And that is all for Madworld. Come visit our channel, subscribe and watch out for our next videos here at Top Crypto. Thank you for watching.